There, welcome back to my world. My name is Lori, and I am super glad that you are here with me. Today I'm in the kitchen again, and I am once again cooking with Thrive. Now, if you are not familiar with Thrive freeze-dried foods, then you haven't watched enough of my videos. That's all I can say. So yeah, I love cooking with this stuff. And like, especially for as you get older, more and more parts of your body start to ache on a more regular basis. And one of the things that gets to be super hard can be standing at the counter chopping food and getting things prepped. So today I did have to chop up, I'm using up the rest of that leftover pork roast from the other night. And then I'm going to make a pineapple sweet and sour sauce for it. And what I'm going to use are my Thrive pineapples, because hey, why wouldn't you use Thrive pineapple? Because oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like fresh pineapple. It's just wonderful. Let me find a smaller piece. I want the bigger ones to go in there, but I'm gonna so good and so fresh. And then this is some sweet and sour sauce that I made myself last year from my ground cherries, believe it or not.
Do they make Thrive watermelon?
I don't think they do Thrive watermelon. No, I haven't seen it yet. But anyway, so I'm gonna throw a little bit of water on these and let them sit for 10 minutes, and then throw them into the pot that I have here, and then I'm going to dump this sauce on it and turn it on and let it cook for a couple hours. How simple is that? Okay, so here's my pork all cut up into little pieces and thrown into my crock pot, and here is my pineapple, and I'm just going to throw the water right in there as well. I mean, now it's pineapple juice, right? So I'm just going to throw that in there. And I've got my, like I said, my sweet and sour sauce that I made myself. Oh, so delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I'm just going to give this a little stir. And then this is my crock pot. Now you could do this on top of your stove with a saucepan, just on a really low heat, let it cook for several hours. But I've got my crock pot here, and I'm just going to put it on low and plug it in, and it's going to cook it for me. This smells fabulous, but I was looking at it and looking at it and looking at it, and you know what it needs is some red pepper. Right? Sweet and sour, it needs a little bit of red pepper in it, so that's what I'm going to do. And check this out, I just happen to have red pepper. So let's sprinkle a bit of that in there. There we go, that's about a half a cup, or a pepper's worth, maybe. A bit more. All right, well then, now this is going to suck up some of that juice, these peppers are, and add a little bit of flavor to that. And I'm going to let it cook for a little bit longer and start my rice, and in about 40 minutes we are going to eat.
Another one under video.
Are we doing what?
Eating another dinner under video.
Yes, we are. You are now my testers. My experimental testers, whom I control with food. Just kidding. So there's rice. And there's sweet and sour pork.
What's this? Little dish.
That's for my tomatoes, because I like mine on the side.
Right.
I know.
You're so special.
I know. I really, really am.
I'm not gonna start out with very much until I see whether I like it or not.
I know. I understand. If it's horrible, I get it.
Smells pretty good.
It's my own homemade sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, we had that once.
Yeah, we've had
Yeah,
that before.
That was good. And do we get to touch these tomatoes?
You may. Ah!
How much went down the? Uh-oh.
Just a little.
These seem to be very dark.
Yeah, those are called a black crim tomato.
Does it taste like tomato?
Yeah, it's very good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think you had them on a sandwich the other day.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
They look dark. They look good. Okay, I have to test it, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Where's David?
He's coming.
I have to get a piece. It's too big. Very tasty.
Very tasty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You
Good.
Win.
That's that leftover pork.
You win.
I win?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I win! I win!